Hello, it's Angela from Create for Living, and today I'm very excited to share with you my unboxing of my Archer and Olive notebook. As some of you may know, I live in the UK and there aren't any UK stockists, as far as I know, of these fabulous notebooks that have just taken the bullet journaling world by storm. So I managed to find a stockist in Netherlands called JournalnStuff, and their service was absolutely fantastic. I'm not in any way sponsored for this video, but within 3 days I had this bullet journal in my hand, so thrilled with that. And over and above that, they gave all these little gifts, this notebook, this little postcard that you saw, beautifully wrapped in this tissue paper. So just the presentation and the service is fantastic. And here is my Archer and Olive notebook, wrapped up with the JournalnStuff little sticker they send. So just lovely service there. And so if you're in the UK and you're trying to get your hands on one of these notebooks, they definitely are someone that you can purchase from. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what this notebook's like. With all the hype that I've seen on people who've received this, I was quite nervous to see what is it like, what is it about, and I'm really excited to have an Archer and Olive journal all the way from Texas, I think, and have them here. So if you don't know about Archer and Olive, these are notebooks that are handmade in Texas. One originally started by artists for artists, and Archer and Olive are cats, I believe, that the journals are named after. So this is the style that I chose, this beautiful duck egg color with a little feather to go with it in that beautiful gold leaf, as you see over there. So I'm just busy having a look. It comes covered in this plastic, and I thought I would do a journal comparison so I didn't get that beautiful linen cover messed up. This is kind of like a car I don't want to scratch for that first time. So I'm comparing with the Dingbats notebook, and actually I was quite pleasantly surprised. Dingbats notebooks are bigger than A5, and you can see the slight size, about 1/2 centimeter or 5 millimeters above and on the side, but quite close. And then comparing to my Scribbles That Matter notebook, which I use for work, so it's got red pen all over, it's actually very close to the size of the Scribbles That Matter. Almost, I would say, identical to that size, maybe slightly above it on the top, but very close. No, pretty much the same. And so you can see that comparison between the two sizes. So if you're wanting to know how big this is, it's pretty much the same size as the Scribbles That Matter notebook. Alright, let's begin this unboxing and have a look inside. You can see I'm quite cautious. So taking this out of the plastic, I already have the feel that this is beautiful linen. So I think it will probably be quite easy to get dirty. As you can see, my other notebooks that were a little bit more water resistant did get pen over them. So I'm going to probably keep this in some sort of cover or cloth bag just to keep it looking lovely. That shiny gold leaf of the feather is just beautiful, and even this little piece of paper is in this thick card with the shiny gold as well, which I thought was a nice touch, even with the little edging on that. So there's an elastic band which keeps the book closed, and I'm just switching the background so you can see a little bit better. You can see that I have so I'm moving the book around so you can see that reflection of that leaf. The elastic band opens nicely, and on the first page you can see that there is this book belongs to and Archer and Olive signature at the bottom. So a nice title page there, this thick white color. You can see the color of these pages are cool white, so very crisp white, definitely not cream or ivory, and that was one of the things that attracted me to them. If you take photos on social media, you'll be very excited to have that. And then flicking through, almost every second page has the sewn seam so that it lies completely flat, and you can see very, very distinct, that flat lay that you get from these notebooks. So I was pleased to see that that was true to what I had seen on many other reviews. There are 2 ribbons that match the cover in this one, and they were slightly different length, one slightly longer than the other in my case. Decided to do a ribbon test, as I have seen people complain that their ribbons were short in the past. And when I pulled those ribbons to the side, they did definitely give you enough length on the corner in order to be able to pick it up from the side. So I was pleased to see the ribbon length was perfect in my opinion. And you can see throughout the pages there are these dot grids, and then at the back there's a little pockets. And I just wanted to show you how flat this lays. It seems to fold back on itself perfectly. This is without me doing any spine work or anything like that, just straight out the box as you saw. A little pocket at the back with fabric holding it in, so quite a big space. And of course you have the pen holder right there as well, which is really useful. So there you have it, my Archer and Olive notebook. I will of course be trying this out, showing you how the paper holds up to different mediums as I use my notebook, because I'll be switching to this now for May. And I hope you look forward to seeing many more videos in this. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you again soon. Alright,